don't know why we get hiccups all Yeah. Can you tell me about your hiccups? We get them all the time. Why? Why? Hmm? Oh my. Oh yes, tell me. It kind of stinks, huh? Look at that tongue. Hi. Can you blow me some more bubbles? Show me your bubbles today. Yeah. Oh yeah. Ah. Whoa. So many hiccups. You're a very talented hiccuper. Yeah. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.